We're going to go over some highly recognizable graphs. The first one I'd like to talk about is just plain old y equals x, a line, basically y equals x to the first, then y equals x squared, y equals x to the third, or y equals x cubed, y equals x to the fourth. And then I'm going to move out of the polynomials and do some other basic functions. Y equals absolute value of x, y equals the square root of x. And now this one's sort of a little different than that. It's a cube root. Y equals cube root of x. And last I'm going to do a trig function, y equals sine of x. So these graphs are considered highly recognizable. In other words, you should be able to know what they look like just at first glance. Y equals x is just a line. I'm not going to do an xy axis. That's what it looks like. X squared, well, it's a parabola, so it's like a u. And because it's positive, it's concave up. X cubed, this is an exaggerated version of x cubed. And x to the fourth is going to look like a big W. Now that's, again, an exaggerated version of x to the fourth. Now, those were all polynomials. These graphs are just plain old functions, so absolute value of x is going to give me a v. Square root of x is half of that turned on its side. Cube root of x, kind of a strange function, but that's what it looks like. And I'm actually going to do the coordinate for sine x. I'm going to set up a little xy axis here. And sine x starts at 0, 0, goes up, goes through, goes down, and ends over there. So sine x is going to look like a curvy line, like a parabola meeting a parabola. And that's sine x. Just some highly recognizable graphs.